In this issue we are going to talk about finding the right remedy for irritating dry skin. When it comes to treating dry skin, there are a wide variety of different options available, and finding the right treatment for your skin type is extremely important. As with any process, finding the right regimen for your dry skin may take some time and patience, but once you do, it can help restore your skin's natural balance, which will make your skin look more radiant and youthful. Let's go over a few home treatments you can try to help relieve your irritating, dry skin. Avocado mash. Mash up half an avocado, mix it with a couple of drops of fresh lime juice and spread the paste on your skin. Be sure to thoroughly cleanse your face before applying the paste. Allow it to remain on your skin for between 15 minutes and 20 minutes, then rinse it thoroughly, while alternating warm and cold water. This is a great way to add moisture to the skin and achieve a healthy glow. Cleanse with mineral water. If you suffer from dry, flaky skin, especially on your face, consider using mineral water when you cleanse. Tap water is often laden with chemicals that strip the natural oils and nutrients from your skin. Mineral water adds healthy minerals to your skin and leaves it feeling soft and well moisturized. Peanut paste. Blend 3 or 4 tablespoons of raw peanuts, a little bit of milk and a teaspoon of raw honey into a smooth paste. A food processor works best for this. Apply the paste to your face and any other place where your skin is dry and allow it to completely dry, then wash it off with cold water. The natural oils and antioxidants in peanuts are excellent for relieving dry skin. Asterisk warning: do not use this remedy if you have a peanut allergy. Asterisk. Extract. Before you go in for a bath, try adding between 5 drops and 6 drops worth of lavender oil or oat extract to your bath water. When your skin soaks up the water and becomes soft, it will also soak up the extracts or oils in order to improve upon your dry skin. Milk bath. Take a milk bath once a month. This is an age-old home remedy for dealing with dry skin that is well worth trying. A milk bath is both soothing and softening for the skin. Don't worry, you don't have to invest in 20 gallons of help to make this happen. Powdered milk will do the trick. Simply do a search online and you will find countless recipes for homemade milk baths. Don't forget the fruits and veggies. As we have discussed before, one of the best ways to have soft, silky skin is by including more fresh fruits and vegetables in your daily diet. Fruits and vegetables, because they are rich in vitamin B and vitamin A, and both of these vitamins are especially helpful in keeping your skin feeling young, healthy and moisturized. You can experiment with some of these, look for others online, and don't be afraid to combine different remedies so that you can create a dry skincare regimen that works best for you. Make sure you look for your next issue soon. We will be talking about choosing the best organic skincare products for your skin. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video about choosing the best organic skincare products for your skin.